Giethoorn, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a charming village in the Netherlands that offers a unique experience for travelers. Nestled in the province of Overijssel, this picturesque destination is famous for its serene canals, traditional thatched-roof cottages, and lush green landscapes. Unlike most towns, Giethoorn has no roads for cars, making it a peaceful haven where locals and visitors alike navigate the village by boat, bike, or on foot. The village's canals are lined with wooden bridges, adding to the rustic beauty and tranquility of the area. Giethoorn's history dates back to the 13th century, and it originally grew as a peat harvesting settlement. The name Giethoorn translates to goat horns, inspired by the discovery of goat horns found in the area. Over the years, the village has evolved into a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors from all over the world to experience its calm, car-free atmosphere. The canals, covering nearly 7 kilometers, are a major highlight, and tourists can rent small boats or take guided tours to explore the waters while soaking in the scenic beauty. In addition to its canals, Giethoorn is surrounded by natural beauty. The nearby Weerribben-Wieden National Park is a haven for birdwatchers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking peaceful walks through lush wetlands and dense forests. The park is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including herons, ducks, and otters, making it an ideal spot for outdoor activities. Though Giethoorn is small, it offers a wide range of activities and attractions. Visitors can take a relaxing boat tour through the canals, visit the museums showcasing the region's history, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll through the village's charming streets. Local restaurants serve traditional Dutch cuisine, and quaint shops offer unique souvenirs such as handcrafted goods and wooden clogs. Giethoorn is truly a hidden gem, offering a glimpse into a simpler, slower-paced way of life. Whether you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life or simply want to explore the beauty of the Netherlands, Giethoorn is the perfect destination for a tranquil getaway. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe for more amazing places around the world.